Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope everyone is having a great day so far. I am finally giving you guys a June 1st budget by Paycheck closeout, and it actually went pretty smooth for the first part of June. I'm hoping that the second part of the month goes smooth as well. I've been trying to stay within my budget, not spend more, have a couple of no spend days, those things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. When it comes to the income, my income was $1,679. I did have to pay back Spot Me on my CHIME card, so I did give them $11.88. I did take out $130 for tithes. So my budgeted income was $1,128.68 for the first part of the 2 weeks for June. When it comes to expenses, I did pay all of these for the actual amount. So rent was $370. As of today, I've already paid the full amount for rent, and I do have my money order for that as well. When it comes to Discover, now remember that amount was for my FICO, but I did pause my FICO for 3 or 6 months. I really don't remember. So I went ahead and put that money towards Discover. When it comes to AT&T, my internet only, thank goodness, hallelujah, because that total amount that we used to pay for just internet and phone service was ridiculous. So internet was $60, and I did go ahead and pay that amount. For NES, which is the electric company here in Nashville. Now, since I do pay water with my rent, I'm only responsible for paying electricity. So my electricity was $65, and I went ahead and paid that. When it comes to my medical bill from the surgery that I had last year, I do pay them $55 a month, bringing that total to $580. When it comes to my cash envelopes for food and stuff would be things such as toiletries, household items, or anything that I need from the grocery store, except for planner related things. So I did budget for $200. I ended up spending $190, and I do have $10 left from that. With $10 left over. When it comes to gas, that amount, $25, went directly to the tank. When it comes to laundry, I spent $14 with $1 left. And here's my rollover money. So I have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, $11. And we're just going to set that to the side. I'm not really going to do anything with this money just yet, but I will put it in an envelope for rollover money. When it comes to out of town, I did put $40 in my out of town envelope. For extra cash, I did put $20 in extra cash, and I actually used that full amount. When it comes to the total spent for cash envelopes, I did spend $289 overall, with $11 for rollover. When it comes to my sinking funds, these are the actual amounts. So for 3 to 6 months, I did put $37.68 towards that envelope. For vacation, I did put $70. For car maintenance, I did put $50. Everything else did not get any. And for the monthly challenge, I did put $50. And that total overall was $243.68 that went towards the sinking funds. If we take a look, at sinking funds, let's see, for a monthly challenge, I do have $50, I believe. I don't really know. 20, 40, 45, 50. And that goes back into here. And I'll just fix that later. Car stuff, didn't get stuff that time. For vacation, we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. And I'll just fix all of this later. November through December didn't get stuff. Quarterly savings challenge didn't get stuff. Gifts did not get stuff. And the car maintenance money, where is it? I think I sent it to Ally Bank. Here it is, car stuff. 20, 40, 45. 20, 40, 45, 50. So that's it for this short video, guys. I do hope you have a great rest of your day. If you did make it this far to my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and give me a red heart just to let me know that you've seen this video. I would like to do a giveaway soon, so leave me some ideas below in the comments, and thanks again for watching.